No mountain too high, no forest too dense. Meet logging machines that laugh at impossible terrain. From Arctic tundra to Brazilian rainforests. 50-ton beasts that move like liquid metal. Pure engineering poetry in motion. Okay, so what we're seeing here is just how quickly things can go wrong when you're working with trees. This guy was really lucky. It's a good reminder that even the smallest mistake can have big consequences.
Yeah.
Even though he saw the risk, this guy stubbornly stuck to the plan. No adjustments, no alternatives.
Oh shit, it's on me. Right, get ready.
He cuts the branch, wham, it swings back and pins him down. But get this, the lanyard snags on his harness buckle. Talk about adding insult to injury. No wonder he panicked.
See how the line? If you want, we can just leave that for now. Just tie it off. Yeah.
Now this is what I call a saw. The Log Ripper X09. That 900mm tungsten blade brings back memories but with a modern twist. Cuts through 370mm of hardwood like butter. Mount it on your excavator, and you're ready for anything. This wood peeler may look like a relic from the past, but don't let its simple design fool you. The results are truly impressive. Let's dive into the video and see this little marvel in action. This is why you should watch carefully when the tree is about to fall. A second of hesitation, and disaster will strike immediately.
This was a ladder I was standing on. I had to jump to get away from it.
These aren't just any spruce logs, folks. These are instrument grade, meticulously selected for their exceptional qualities. Each log must be over 60 centimeters in diameter, sourced from altitudes exceeding 1,000 meters, and perfectly straight with no knots or blemishes. Once harvested, they're transported to the workshop, carefully sectioned, and then air-dried for months to achieve optimal tonal characteristics. maneuvering a logging truck longer than a school bus around a tight bend on a steep, muddy incline? That's not just driving, that's precision artistry. These drivers are masters of their machines, showcasing incredible skill and unwavering focus in the face of challenging terrain. Hey everyone, I want to show you something really cool. This is the Wilapiwa Dwuwawowa, WD-200/240/M, and it's like the ultimate sawing machine. It's got 2 arbors equipped with multiple circular saw blades, allowing for simultaneous cutting of a single workpiece into multiple pieces. The blade spacing is adjustable, giving you precise control over the width of each cut. This translates to increased efficiency and reduced waste. This saw is perfect for anyone who wants to get the job done fast. You see these trees? They're not your average trees. They're leaning, they're unpredictable, and they're a real danger to anyone nearby. Luckily, we've got these 2 brave guys who know exactly what they're doing. It's a delicate operation, but they're up for the challenge.
Down. Oh, it's gonna disconnect. There we go. Oh man!
Oh my goodness!
2 trees in 1, man.
Sick, look at that!
Nice. Also,
Yeah.
Ever wondered how a sawmill operates? Well, today's your lucky day. We're going to delve deep into the fascinating process of transforming raw timber into sleek, usable lumber. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes look you won't forget. Hey there, lumberjack. Ever wished you could waltz with a giant? Well, the Ponce Ergo 8W Harvester is your dance partner. This beauty's got a swanky rotating cabin, a purring Mercedes engine, and a crane that'll make you feel like a conductor leading a symphony of trees. Come on, let's get this show on the road. The 525 Cat Grapple is a beast. Powerful, precise, and built for these exact conditions. Watch how it effortlessly maneuvers through the muck, grabbing those logs with unwavering grip. This is precision logging at its finest. Wow, This sawmill, while compact, is remarkably efficient. Observe the precision of the blade and the smooth operation of the log carriage. A testament to thoughtful engineering and quality craftsmanship, it's truly captivating to witness. Ah, that distinctive sound. It evokes a wave of nostalgia for some, a thrilling overture to adventure for others. That 1974 Kenworth Big James with its Detroit 12 V71 engine. It's practically a sonic time capsule, transporting us back to the forests of our youth. I wouldn't be surprised if some of you could practically smell the pine needles and diesel fumes right now. Wow. Check out the precision on this operator. He's got a masterful command of that Cat 305E2. Every movement is deliberate, every maneuver is calculated. See how he uses the machine's weight and leverage to extract that massive root ball? That's textbook excavation technique right there. A true professional.
Oh my God, she's almost there! Oh!
For all his clumsiness, that guy's got more luck than I thought.
Oh!
It's a good thing nothing bad happened. Land management is about maximizing resources. The VM60SR turns site clearing into an asset. Instead of waste, you generate valuable mulch that improves soil conditions and supports future growth. It's a win-win. Clear land efficiently and boost your ecological footprint. Let's talk about something that'll make your hair stand on end. It's a lumberjack's nemesis, always keeping them on their toes. Are you curious? Of course you are. Let's dive in and see what this bad boy is all about.
There it goes.
This Dipper Fox SC600 stump grinder? Oh, it's an absolute beast. We're talking serious power here, folks. Stumps are practically reduced to sawdust in seconds. Think of it like a wood chipper on steroids, engineered for maximum efficiency and raw grinding force. You won't find a tougher machine on the market. The freezing temperatures, the icy wood, the treacherous snow. It's a recipe for disaster. But these men, true professionals, conquer the elements with their TDT 55 and get the job done. Their skill and determination are truly impressive.
Собака все с нами, везде с нами, молодец. Тайга. О, сучки, это грибов. Трос аж хрустит. О, подтащила.
Пошла, родимая. Вот так буду, как лучше пойдет. Да, вот на такую-то тайгу надо Т4, а не эту мандолину.
На такой лес надо тяжелую артиллерию. Да, вот. В комментариях пишут, а уже дубы.
The LKT-81. Turbo is a proven workhorse in the forestry industry. Its robust design and adaptable features make it a reliable choice for a variety of logging operations. From its powerful engine to its maneuverability in challenging terrain, this skidder consistently delivers exceptional performance. The Hayes truck has established itself as the dominant force on the West Coast. Factors contributing to its success include not only its superior power, but also its overall design and robust construction. Now this is a machine I can get behind. The Senebogen 830E, built to last, easy to fix, and with the power to handle anything. Diesel or electric, both are solid choices. But that electric? Now that's something special, quiet, clean, and efficient. This is the kind of machine you can rely on for years to come. This ash tree taught Grandpa another lesson.
Yep.
Wow, check out this amazing scene. The partnership between humans and animals at work always brings a sense of harmony. Nice horses, super trained, and the guy really uses his head. You don't see that very often. This is the Moorbark 30 RXL chipper vester, and let me tell you, it's a beast. With an 83-inch chipper disc and hydraulics powerful enough to crush a car, it delivers unparalleled strength. But don't worry, it's surprisingly easy to operate. This machine is built for power and efficiency, perfect for anyone who needs fast results. Just watch it in action, and you won't be disappointed. Well. Looks like we've got ourselves a situation here. That lumber truck is in a real pickle. Let's see how our buddy on the excavator is going to get him out of this mess. This guy leveled the ground when he finished the job. What a responsible person, I like that. Well, these are clumsy men who survive by luck.
It's like the river all over again.
Well, a familiar saying, the cameraman never dies. You want power? You want efficiency? You want control? The Petzolato, PTH1300/1500M, delivers on all fronts. Its 1150 horsepower Caterpillar engine gives you the raw power to conquer any wood chipping challenge. Imagine the satisfaction of producing up to 400 cubic meters of perfect chips per hour. And with the radio remote control, you're in complete command. Wow, check out this ingenious contraption. This DIY wood splitter is a testament to human ingenuity. With a powerful 3 kilovolt motor running at 1500 revolutions per minute, coupled with a 1-32 gearbox, it generates incredible torque. The 320mm and 85mm pulleys further amplify the force, making it capable of splitting even the toughest logs. And the fact that it operates on a standard 220-volt network makes it incredibly practical.
Czy zupełnie?
moments before disaster. The potential tension within each tree is a dangerous factor that you need to be aware of and anticipate before cutting a tree. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
What?
No matter how carefully you calculate, the trees themselves decide how they will fall.
There goes, honey. Got the light. Is that right? Oh, shit. Oh, no!
Maximize your wood chipping efficiency with the Petzolato PTH1400/1000ALLROAD. This self-propelled chipper, powered by a 700 HP Volvo engine, delivers an unparalleled 380 cubic meters per hour output. Its 1400 by 1100 millimeter inlet optimizes throughput for most medium and small trees, significantly reducing processing time. Watch the video to see this strategic advantage in action. Now, this is what I call teamwork. You've got the truckers, the crane operators, the stevedores, all working in sync to get this timber loaded. It's like a well-oiled machine. Everybody knows their role. And check out that digger down in the hole. Talk about a skilled operator. They're making sure every inch of space is used. It's a beautiful thing to watch. Wow, look at that ship go. It's like a tiny leaf tossed in a giant washing machine. Can you imagine the courage of those sailors facing those monstrous waves? It's a raw, visceral struggle for survival, a reminder that we're all connected to this incredible planet. And seeing that sunrise, it's like a promise of hope, a fresh start after the darkness. And they're off. The timber ships have arrived, and the clock is ticking. Watch as these hardworking crews race against the clock to unload this mountain of timber. It's a battle of man and machine. Some ships are in and out in a day, but the big boys, they can take a whole week to clear. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. If that adrenaline rush left you wanting more, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next extreme adventure. Remember, the world of logging is full of surprises, and we're here to bring them right to your screen.